Welcome back to the realm of curiosities. Today, we're going to talk about what happens inside your body during a panic attack and why it can feel like you are dying even when no physical danger is present. A panic attack can begin almost without warning. One moment, everything appears normal. Then your heart starts pounding. Your chest tightens. Your breathing becomes difficult. Your hands begin to tingle, and a powerful sense of dread takes over. Some people become convinced they are having a heart attack. Others believe they are suffocating, losing control, or about to die. But the frightening sensations are being created by one of the body's oldest survival systems. When your brain detects danger, it activates the fight or flight response. This system evolved to help our ancestors survive immediate threats. If a dangerous animal appeared, the body needed to prepare within seconds, not stop and carefully analyze the situation. During a panic attack, the same alarm system activates, even though there may be no genuine external threat. Several areas of the brain are involved, including regions that detect possible danger, monitor sensations inside the body, and control automatic functions such as breathing and heart rate. Once the alarm is triggered, the sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for emergency action. Stress chemicals such as adrenaline and noradrenaline help increase your heart rate. Blood is redirected toward muscles that might be needed to fight or escape. Your breathing speeds up to take in more oxygen, and sweating helps prevent the body from overheating. If you are actually running from danger, these changes could be useful. But when you are sitting in a supermarket, driving to work, or lying in bed, they feel completely unexplained, and therefore even more frightening. One of the first sensations many people notice is a racing or pounding heart. Because the heart is beating harder and faster, you may become intensely aware of every beat. This can create the thought, "Something is wrong with my heart." That thought produces more fear. More fear strengthens the alarm response, which makes the heart beat even faster. The symptom and the frightening interpretation begin feeding each other. Breathing can create another cycle. During panic, some people breathe faster or deeper than their body requires. This is called hyperventilation. Contrary to how it feels, the problem is not necessarily that you are failing to get enough oxygen. Instead, rapid breathing can remove too much carbon dioxide from the blood. That chemical change can cause dizziness, lightheadedness, blurred vision, tingling around the mouth or fingers, muscle tightness, and a feeling of unreality. The person may interpret these sensations as proof that they are suffocating or about to faint. They breathe even faster, carbon dioxide falls further, and the symptoms become stronger. This is why being told to just take a deep breath is not always helpful. Repeatedly taking enormous breaths can worsen overbreathing. Slower, gentler breathing is generally more useful than forcing as much air into the lungs as possible. The digestive system can also react. When the body believes survival is at stake, digestion becomes less important. This can produce nausea, stomach discomfort, dry mouth, or the sudden need to use the toilet. Blood vessels near the skin may change, causing hot flushes, chills, or a pale appearance. Muscles tense in preparation for action, which can contribute to trembling, shaking, and chest discomfort. The brain also begins changing how you experience the world. Some people feel detached from their surroundings, as though everything has become dreamlike or unreal. This is called derealization. Others feel separated from their own body or thoughts, a sensation known as depersonalization. These experiences can be terrifying, but they do not necessarily mean the person is going insane. They can occur when the brain is overwhelmed by extreme fear, intense physical sensations, and rapidly changing attention. A panic attack usually rises quickly and reaches its most intense point within minutes. Many last somewhere between 5 and 20 minutes, although some symptoms can continue longer. The experience may feel endless because the brain is focused almost entirely on danger. Every heartbeat is monitored. Every breath is examined. Every unusual sensation becomes possible evidence that something catastrophic is happening. Eventually, however, the emergency response cannot remain at maximum intensity forever. Stress chemicals are broken down. Breathing and heart rate begin moving toward normal, and the alarm gradually weakens. Afterward, the person may feel exhausted, shaky, or emotionally drained. The body has just behaved as though it survived a serious physical threat, even if the person never moved from the room. One isolated panic attack does not automatically mean someone has panic disorder. Many people experience a panic attack during a period of intense stress, illness, exhaustion, or major life changes. Panic disorder involves repeated, unexpected panic attacks, together with continuing worry about another attack or changes in behavior intended to avoid one. That fear can create another problem. A person may begin avoiding the place where the first attack occurred. If it happened in a shopping center, they may stop shopping. If it happened while driving, they may avoid highways. If it happened on public transport, they may refuse to travel alone. The person is no longer only afraid of the original situation. They become afraid of experiencing fear itself. Panic attacks are treatable. Approaches such as cognitive behavioral therapy can help people understand the sensations, challenge catastrophic interpretations, and gradually stop avoiding situations associated with panic. Medication may also be appropriate in some cases. However, symptoms such as chest pain, fainting, or severe shortness of breath should not automatically be dismissed as panic, especially when they are new, unusually severe, or accompanied by other concerning symptoms. Medical conditions can produce similar sensations and may require urgent assessment. A panic attack is real. The racing heart is real. The dizziness is real. The shaking and chest tightness are real. What is mistaken is the message behind them. The body is not pretending to be afraid. It has activated a genuine survival response. It is simply responding to danger that is not actually there. For a few terrifying minutes, the body's alarm system becomes louder than the part of the brain trying to explain that you are safe.